Hi, this is Brian Vergara. I am the developer of GoodSeeds System software. I have been studying computer codes and developing different accounting-related software for about 15 years. I've been taking computer-related courses as part of my continuing education program. I have been an accountant with long years of experience working in different company in different industry. I have also an experience as an advisor and implementation of different accounting, HRIS, and payroll related software in different company in different industry. With my long years experience as an accountant and software developer, I was able to develop this accounting related software such as accounting system, HRIS and payroll system, biometric and time and attendance system, point of sale system, biometric and security system, and etc. I created this video as tutorial on how to use the different functionalities of this software. Please leave your comment and suggestion down below to help me in my coding process. Thank you. Okay, so today I'll be going to show you on how to use the backup menu and reminders menu of GoodSeeds HRIS and payroll system. So let's log in with the system. Okay, so in order to access the backup menu is found here under the file menu. So this one, the backup button, so you just need to click this button for the backup window to pop up. So all you need to do is to select first the backup destination directory. So let's click this button. Then you can see here a dialog box, so directory dialog box. So you have to select the destination directory. So like for example, we want the backup to be saved in the desktop. So let's click this desktop, click OK, then click this backup button. So there's a message back here that shows backup created. So let's click OK. Let's close this. So let's try to look the backup destination, which is the desktop. So as you can see here, there's a backup created here, GoodSeeds payroll. So actually this is the backup that we were created. We created. So let's delete this backup because we don't need this file. Okay, so let's go back to the system. Now, to access the reminders menu, let's click this link button. So reminders, let's just click this. So a reminders list will appear. So this one, if we wanted to add another reminders in the list, so let's just click this add button or plus button. So this data entry screen will appear. So let's put another reminders, like for example alpha list deadline submission. So in this text box or in this box, we should put a number of days or the number of days that this report will show on the reminders list. So if we wanted that this report will show in the reminders list 2 days before the deadline, so let's put 2 days here. So let's try to save this new reminder. We forgot to put the due date here. So like for example, the due date of this report is April 25. So as you can see, the date today is April 24. So today is 1 day before the deadline, which is April 25. So because we put to this for this report to pop up in the reminders list, So we will assume, or we assume that this report will be presented here. So let's save this report. Let's save this reminder. So as you can see, the reminder shows here alpha list submission or due date April 25. So the purpose of these reminders is only to give us notice for reports with regards to the respective deadline. So but we can also edit this report if you wanted to edit this report. So you can just double click this report, then the edit screen will pop up. So you can edit the information or data for this specific report or specific reminder. So you can change to 5 days or 3 days, then save. Reminders updated. So this, it will show here that the report will show 3 days before the respective deadline. So but you can also delete if you feel that this reminders is not needed anymore. So you can just click the delete button, this X button, to delete this specific reminders. So okay. So this is just all about the backup and reminders button. Then so far, this is just the functionalities, particularly for the reminders, but I would like to emphasize that this system, I created this system by myself, so I have all the privilege to edit the system, to improve the system. So because I have all the source code. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to put your suggestion and comments below for me to have a guide in improving my system. So thank you and God bless everyone.